Hello, I am Samir Kanse representing DesignTech. Welcome to Forming Now. This is a 360-degree vision inspection system. We are checking defects for axle, truck axle. So this system basically checks for defects, missing components, dimension inspection of an axle. So this is a big component. This is the first machine in India where we are showing such type of arrangements where camera and motorized movements are available. So this system inspects 360-degree welding defects, missing components, and scratches on the part, manufactured part.